Most people think Airbnb hosts are raking in thousands every month, but is that the full story? I've managed multiple listings, worked with investors, and even scaled units without owning any property. In this video, I'm exposing the real numbers behind Airbnb business. Some of it may shock you, and it may change the way you approach hosting forever. You've probably seen headlines like Airbnb hosts make $10,000 per month or quit your job with Airbnb passive income. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the truth. Most of these numbers are gross income, not profits. That means they don't account for rents, cleaning, utilities, maintenance costs, marketing costs, and platform fees. Let me break down what I do so that you understand where my insight comes from. I manage short-term rentals for property owners and rent properties on behalf of my clients, which they released on Airbnb, and this is known as Airbnb Arbitrage. On top of that, I train new hosts and help investors to scale their units through co-hosting and remote property management. I've seen some properties barely break even and others make between $2,000 to $5,000 plus monthly in profits. The difference I will show you. Let's talk numbers. Studio in Lekki, Nigeria, arbitrage model. The gross is $2,800 per month. Cost is $1,500 per month, which covers rent, bills, cleaning, and utilities. The net profit is $1,300 per month. Two bedroom in Dubai, co-hosted. The gross is $4,200 per month. Owner pays mortgage, and I earn 20% of co-host fee, which is $840 per month. New listing that underperformed, gross is $950, cost is $1,100, and the loss is $150. Yes, some months you lose money. That's why it's important to analyze before you launch. Here's why many hosts don't make money. Wrong location, too much competition or low demand, bad pricing, either underpricing or overpriced with poor value, no niche appeal, generic spaces don't convert well, lack of reviews, people skip through listings that don't have trust signals, poor operations, that is cleanliness issues, slow response rates, and no system. Hosting is no longer set it and forget it game anymore. Yeah, it takes effort and strategy. Those who make profits use tools like dynamic pricing. Example is Price Lab and Beyond Pricing. They focus on guest experiences like automated check-in and fast responses. They have standout designs and use professional photos. They understand seasonality and adjust accordingly. They know their profit margin, not just gross bookings. Let's break down hidden costs. Airbnb's 3 to 15% service fee, cleaning plus laundry, especially if outsourced, monthly subscriptions for channel managers, pricing tools and smart locks, occupancy tax in some regions, maintenance and wear and tear. This should take up to 30 to 50% of your income. Can you make Airbnb passive? Yes, but only if you hire a co-host or a property manager. You automate your pricing, guest messaging, and cleaning, and you systemize operations by using tools like Hospitable or Hostaway. Otherwise, you're basically running a mini hotel. So, how much can Airbnb hosts realistically make? This is a general range. New hosts from $1,000 per month as net profit. Experienced hosts with 1 to 3 units from $1,000 to $5,000 per month. Scaling with arbitrage or co-hosting is from $5,000 to $10,000 per month across multiple units. But again, this depends on location, strategy, and execution. So, should you go into hosting in 2025? Yes, but go in informed. The Airbnb market is maturing, and the hosts that are winning are treating it like a business. They are solving a niche problem, corporate stays, digital nomads, and family friendly units, investing in branding and systems, So if you're in this for freedom and consistent cash flow, it is still a great opportunity. If you got value from this, hit like, subscribe, and comment below with where you're thinking of starting your Airbnb business. I've linked a free Airbnb hosting checklist and my top 3 tools to launch faster in the description. Grab this if you are ready to stop researching and start earning.